For the summer research experience, I actually have 2 neuroscience projects that are working in collaboration with one another. So 2 students here on the New Mexico campus are working in the laboratory with me, and they're collaborating with 3 students on our Florida campus that are helping with the image analysis.
Our project for the summer research experience has been specifically investigating how stress impacts certain brain regions. We're looking at 2 main markers, FOSS, which is kind of a proxy for us to see which regions of the brain are stress sensitive, and then GAD67, which is an enzyme that helps to produce GABA, a really important inhibitory neurotransmitter within the brain.
Everybody does experience stress, and everybody kind of interacts with stress or has like a response to it a little bit differently. But if we understand the effects of like having the chronic stress, then we can know how to prevent any problems. And this has been connected to different diseases such as Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, and as well as psychiatric disorders such as depression and anxiety.
Research, I think, is beneficial to the students in a number of ways. First, they get to pursue a question that they find interesting, but also it helps to build their research and critical thinking skills and how to use and identify resources.
So I want to also be part of the processes that helps to come up with new technologies and treatments and different sources of therapeutics for patients. And so part of my practice involves caring for patients, but also coming up with new ways that we can care for patients as well.